Hello, this is Rabbi Bejarano Gutierrez, and today I wanted to talk about a very important book. It's called A Treasury of Sephardic Laws and Customs, and it's written by Rabbi Dobrinsky. It's an excellent work which reviews the customs of the four categories of Sephardic Jews in its appropriate definition, and that what I mean by that is Jews from Spanish-Portuguese origin, Jews from Morocco, Jews from Syria, and then also the Turkish tradition, which includes the Judeo-Spanish tradition. So the Spanish-Portuguese tradition are those Jews who were essentially former Conversos, former Anusim, who settled in the western parts of Europe, Amsterdam, eventually London, and there were certain parts of Germany, eventually into the New World, into the Caribbean, and also into places like New York and Philadelphia, etc. So the Western Sephardim, or the Spanish-Portuguese Jews, have a distinct set of minhagim, of customs, and that's covered in here for major holidays, things like bar mitzvah, brit milah, etc. And then he also does, Rabbi Dobrinsky does the same thing for Moroccan Jews, for Syrian Jews, and also for the Spanish and Portuguese Jews that fled eastward after the expulsion in 1492, and then in 1497, 1498 in Portugal, and settled in the Ottoman Empire. So this is an excellent resource, and the only, I think, challenge with this is that it's not, I'm not sure if it's still in print or not. You might be able to find some copies on Amazon or some other used websites, but it's an excellent resource. I really encourage anybody that wants to understand Sephardic tradition as it is properly defined to get a copy of this or to find it, and it's just an excellent resource to have. There's not a lot of material like this, and so this is a real prize to add to your library if you do have the opportunity to find it. So just a very brief recommendation, and for those of you who are following the melodies that I've been recording, I've stopped temporarily, but it's just because of time, but I will go back, and I was hoping to do some recordings for Pesach, but obviously we're late, but I will go back and do some of the Sephardic recordings for the Seder, and then also other Shabbat recordings and so forth. So we will see you in the next video.